Hi, I am here to help you solve this problem using the strategies that you have learned in class. Let's begin with reading the problem to make sure that we know what the problem is about, what is it asking us to do, and what are the information that we could use to solve it. Nora buys a pack of 32 craft sticks. Each craft stick is 5 inches long. She wants to use the craft sticks to make a 150-inch long border on a bulletin board. Does Nora have enough craft sticks? The problem is about the craft sticks that Nora would like to use for the border of the bulletin board. It's asking us, does Nora have enough craft sticks? Okay, let me reread the problem and underline some details that we could use to solve it. Nora buys a pack of 32 craft sticks, so she has 32 craft sticks. Each craft stick is 5 inches long. So this sentence is telling me that every craft stick that she has is 5 inches long. She wants to use a craft stick or craft sticks to make 150-inch long border. So the border that she needs to make is 150 inches. Now it's asking us if she has enough for this border. For us to know if she has enough, we need to know how long will these craft sticks be if we put them together. So if we have 32 craft sticks and each of them is 5 inches long, it's like having a group of or having 32 groups of 5. And 32 groups of 5 is the same thing as 32 times 5. The equation is here, but 32 is quite a big number for me to multiply. So we need to use a strategy that we've learned in class, and this is what you call distributive property, wherein we begin with breaking the number into smaller numbers that are easier to multiply. So what are the two numbers that are easier to multiply that will make up 32? I think it's going to be 30 plus 2. Wait a second, how is 30 an easy number to multiply? Remember, 30 is a multiple of 10, and we have a lot of tricks on how to multiply multiples of 10. We'll talk about it later. So we now have 30 plus 2 times 5. Since 30 and 2 are from the same number, let's put them in parentheses. The next thing to do is to distribute times 5 to each number. So we have 30 times 5. That will be our first expression, and then put it in parentheses. Now let's multiply, or let's distribute times 5 to 2. So we have 2 times 5. Don't forget the plus sign. There you go. Now let's multiply the numbers. 30 times 5. 30 is a multiple of 10, and one trick that we learned from class is to cover up the 0, pretend that it's not there, then multiply 3 times 5. So it's like 5, 10, 15. Then put down the 0. So it's going to be 150. Plus 2 times 5, which is 10. Now we just have to put the numbers together. So 150 plus 10 will give me 160 inches. Now is this answering the question, does Nora have enough craft sticks? I guess 160 is not the right answer for this question, but this can help me answer the question. If she needs 150 inches for the border, and her craft sticks would have a total inches of 160, does she have enough? The answer is yes. It's because 160 is a bigger number than 150.